Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the full package from Ampere. This is the Unravel AW Plus and the Ampere 65 watt power delivery travel adapter. And everything you see here on the table can fit in this Ampere travel case. So this device right here would go in here, and then you can fit the cable and the charger right here. So it all fits in one nice travel case. And then when you take it out, this expands, as you know, to 3 different charging platforms. You have it for 2 phones and 1 Apple Watch. So this is the Apple Watch adapter. You can have it like this, you can charge it like this, charge devices like that, and you can even do it like this. So it's in a tent form. That's pretty cool that the magnets are that strong to hold everything together. And this is the complete package from Ampere. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.